MVP Healthcare Health Insurance Review Usage Experience. Welcome to this review of MVP Healthcare Health Insurance. Links to explore their plans and learn more are available in the description below. MVP Healthcare is a well-established health insurer that primarily serves New York and Vermont, offering a wide range of health plans designed to meet the needs of individuals, families, and businesses. Known for its flexible coverage options and strong customer service, MVP is a solid choice for those looking for affordable and reliable healthcare. MVP offers a variety of plan options, including HMO, PPO, and high-deductible health plans, HDHPs, that can be paired with health savings accounts, HSAs. These plans cater to different healthcare needs, from basic coverage for those who are generally healthy to more comprehensive plans for individuals or families who require frequent medical care. They also offer Medicare Advantage plans, which include essential benefits such as prescription drug coverage, dental, and vision care for seniors. One of MVP's standout features is its extensive network of doctors, specialists, and hospitals, ensuring members have access to high-quality healthcare. Preventive care, including screenings, immunizations, and wellness visits, is covered at no additional cost, helping members stay healthy and avoid major medical expenses. MVP also provides telehealth services, giving you the convenience of virtual consultations with healthcare professionals for non-emergency issues. For businesses, MVP offers flexible group health plans that are customizable based on the size and needs of your workforce. Their plans are designed to provide employees with access to comprehensive coverage while keeping costs manageable for employers. While MVP is a strong choice for residents of New York and Vermont, it's important to note that their network may not be as extensive outside of these states. So those requiring nationwide coverage may need to consider other providers. In summary, MVP Healthcare is an excellent choice for individuals, families, and businesses in New York and Vermont seeking affordable, flexible, and comprehensive health coverage. With a strong provider network, preventive care services, and additional perks, MVP stands out in the health insurance market. Be sure to check the links in the description to explore their plans and find the one that's right for you.